We have a variety of wall-top tensioners specifically used for wire thicknesses up to a maximum of 1.6 millimeters. Our traditional early tensioner is the restricted spring, a light-duty spring tensioner with a restrictioner so it doesn't over-tension, and a light-duty spring hook. Simply, you hook it onto the bracket, hook your tensioner on, and then as you tension it, it's pulled to a restricted position. The nylon security tensioner is the ideal tensioner when you've got different wires in your mix and you don't want to use stainless steel with, say, an aluminium wire. The plastic portion differentiates the two wires. It's called a security tensioner, operates in the flat bar bobbin. You can put the tensioner over the bobbin and then it slides neatly on, clipping in and giving you a nice tension. Why this is called a security tensioner is once it's on and clipped into position, it's impossible for someone to get it off. It's stuck on there and induction will pick up on the spring, so anybody trying to tamper with the spring will get shocked. The Dorn's stainless steel tensioner is a stronger tensioner, ideal for 1.6 stainless steel or braided. We have a stainless steel variant for stainless steel fences and a galvanized variant for braided galvanized wire. What's nice about the tensioner is you can put a ferrule on the back, grab your wall-top bracket, put the tail over the bracket, can tension tight, use a spanner to tighten. And what's nice about the ferrule behind is you can put your loops behind the tensioner, allowing any tensioning on the tool not to block up the front of the tensioner. Next we have the nylon spring tensioner. For the contrasting metal types, it's ideal. This is utilized with a thin, conventional, small spring hook. Put it on, clip it on the bracket bobbin, and tension your wire. Next up, we have the mini tweaker nylon tensioner. It has a top and a bottom. This is such that when it pulls, it aligns perfectly straight and makes a very neat fence. It's a strong little tensioner, so it can tension 1.6 millimeter stainless steel easily. It's a ratchet system, so when you put it in, it clicks easily. As it is stronger, we cannot use the thin hook. We have to use the thicker tweaker hook, as it provides more strength with 1.6. Hook it onto the back of the tensioner. Hook it onto your wall-top bracket and thread your wire through, and using your tweaker, tension it. The next product we have is the all-in-one JVA tweaker and spring combination. Here we have the ratchet system on the one side with a spring to take a bit of the tension on the fence on. Here also use the thicker tweaker hook, clip it in, clip it on the bracket, bring your wire in and tension.